Is your Xiaomi G27i monitor is not producing any sound? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you several proven solutions to help fix sound issues on your Xiaomi G27i monitor and get your audio working again. Before troubleshooting, it's important to verify that your Xiaomi G27i model includes built-in speakers. Many gaming monitors include some Xiaomi models do not have integrated speakers and only provide audio output through a headphone jack. If your monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, you'll need to connect external speakers or headphones to hear sound. After that, you want to make sure to verify the audio output Windows because sometimes Windows may send wrong audio to the wrong device. So right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Sound Settings, under Output choose your monitor or HDMI DisplayPort audio device. I want you to play a video or audio file to test the sound. Now, if multiple audio devices are listed, try switching between them. After that, you need to check the HDMI or DisplayPort connection. Audio is transmitted through HDMI and DisplayPort cables. If the cable is damaged or loosely connected, sound may not work properly. Disconnect and reconnect the cable and try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Test another port on your graphics card or device if available. Of course, do not forget to update the audio drivers. Now, let me tell you this. Outdated audio drivers can cause monitor sound problems. To do that, I want you to press the Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, select Update Driver and restart your computer after the update completes. After that, you need to enable the monitor audio device. The monitor audio device may be disabled. To know that, you need to open the control panel, select Sound, go to Playback tab and locate your monitor's audio device. Right-click on it and choose Enable if it's disabled. Set it as the default device. And then, after doing all that, you need to test with another device, which is one of the highly recommended options. Connect the monitor to another PC or maybe laptop or gaming console. If the sounds work on another device, the issue is likely with your original's computer settings or drivers. If its sound doesn't work, the problem may be related to the monitor or audio configuration. So to do that, you need to reinstall the audio drivers. Or you can also check the graphics drivers and perform a monitor factory reset. If your Xiaomi G27i monitor has no sound, remember to confirm whether the monitor includes built-in speakers, then check your audio output settings, cables, drivers, and monitor configuration. In most cases, selecting the correct audio device or updating drivers resolves the issue. If none of these solutions work, consider testing external speakers or contacting Xiaomi support for further assistance. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.